Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. We had some selling today on the equity markets. So let's see here. Uh, hey, Dean. Welcome, Dean. Welcome. All right. So market. The Dow was down about 245 points. Nasdaq was down a bit. S&P Russell. All right, but things are still holding. Dow is right here. All right, so a bit of a pullback right here, but still holding. Let's see here. S&P dropped a little, but still holding. Nasdaq right here, still holding, and the Russell. The VIX is at 1388. All right, sectors are holding fairly well. So, but we do need we need that selling to just hold, right? We don't need a lot of selling, right? So we do need the prices to hold, right? The buyers to hold near resistance here on the Dow. All right, we need that to hold here on the Nasdaq, and same here on the S&P. Okay, so selling today, but things are still holding. We don't need that selling to continue. All right. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. Okay.
Thank you,
All
Dave.
right. You're welcome. So we're gonna go right to the markets. Okay, we do have a lot of information to go over here. A couple of things though. Our Monster US 30 traders. Okay, there was a short signal that came in. Okay, you guys want to be careful with this short signal if anyone took it. All right. If you took it, just be careful, okay? Because we could get buyers to come back in, kind of like it did here, all right, and close that short. Remember, we're in the markup phase, all right. Certainly, hey Gerald, welcome. All right, certainly on the 60-minute, and if you guys look here on the daily time frame, right here, we do have a buy signal. So not that the selling, if the selling continues, that's fine. If you guys, anyone took the short, but just be aware that buyers could come back in like they did here in a big way. All right, and continue to move that price up. All right, so I just wanted to mention that. Okay. All right. We had an active day today for signals in Forex. Okay, and that's usually the norm after a holiday, right? We'll notice that buyers really come in, and they did so in Forex. So let's go over the current trades and new picks. All right. Some of the New Zealand Aussie pairs give sell signals. Here's an example here. New Zealand dollar. All right. Buy signal was here. All right. Red candles, sell signal right here by the system. Okay. So we'll go ahead and remove that. All right. And the yen pairs are still holding. However, if you guys are in these yen pairs, look out for sell signals. Okay. Euro yen right now is holding. Okay. Right now is holding. If the market is down again tomorrow, we could see, really, these yen pairs getting out of those long trades. So Euro yen, Swiss yen, we got a white candle here. All right, green candles coming in. Okay. New Zealand yen. All right, we have a red candle here. So we'll go ahead and close that trade. So if anyone is in New Zealand yen, close that trade. And this was for about 200 pips. Okay. So New Zealand yen, close that trade if you're in it. Anyone is in it. Your Singapore yen, SGD yen, right? We have white candles here, all right? If you're conservative, what we're doing now, if you guys are, want to protect capital, you can get out here, okay? You can get out here. We're going to hold it right now. We'll wait for a red candle, okay? SGD JPY. Pound yen is still holding right here, okay? Let's see here. All right, Aussie yen closed. All right, Aussie yen closed, guys, today. So buy signal was here. All right, at 92, almost 380 points or so. All right, pips. All right, buy signal was here. Red candle, sell signal here. Broke support right here. All right, so we should be out of Aussie yen. So you guys see what's happening. Some of these yen pairs are closing. All right. So Aussie yen, remove that trade out of your system. All right. ZAR yen, buy signal is here. All right. Great trade here going, guys. This has been the number one trade for a long time here. ZAR yen, buy signal is here. Testing support right now. If it breaks support right here, we'll get a red candle. So if anyone is in it, right, I wouldn't fault you guys if you get out on this white candle. All right, we'll go ahead and hold it here. All right, but if you're in it, go ahead and I would say close it. Just close it. Take profits. Okay. Euro SGD. That buy signal is here. Now things looks like they're rotating. All right. So the euro pairs are starting to move. Okay. So Euro SGD buy signal is here. All right. And that's moving higher. All right. Right here. Euro dollar buy signal is here. Got out, got back in here. All right. Got on this red candles, got back in. That's holding. All right. Euro HUF. That's Hungarian, right? Dollar buy signal is here. Broke support, red candle. This one we should be out. Okay, so let's get out of that one there. Euro SEK. All right. All right. Euro SEK buy signal is here. That's holding. Euro Swiss. Right. Euro Swiss buy signal is here. That's holding well. And we do have some new longs that you guys should have received those picks today, earlier today. Pound New Zealand, buy signal is here. That's holding. Pound Swiss, buy signal is here, holding. Pound CAD, all right. Buy signal is here. And sell signal broke support. We should be out of that trade. All right. So markets are a little all over the place, just a bit. Right. Still have some, like the yen pairs, they look like they're rotating out. Right. We still have euro pairs. Some are holding, some are closing. So things are, kind of mixed right now. Okay. So pound CAD buy signal is here. Broke support. Right. Exit signal right here to close the trade. Okay, so we should be out of pound CAD. Let's take a look at the shorts. All right, so these are the shorts in Monster Scalper. All right, dollar ZAR. Dollar ZAR, look for this to close soon. So if anyone is shorting, all right, the dollar ZAR, if you're in this short trade, all right, look at this. Look at this. Here was the previous long trade, guys. All right, here was the previous. Just amazing trading. Look at this. So here was the long trade here, all right, on dollar ZAR, long here, all right, and then this is the short trade here. So just really good trading with the dollar ZAR. And also the pound ZAR and euro ZAR too. Okay. But if you guys, we're going to close that dollar ZAR trade because we do have a green candle here. All right. But keep this on your radar. All right. Green candle here. We'll close that short trade. But guess what? Right? We could see buyers come in and now take it up again because we got really good support right here. All right. So if you guys missed that long trade or that short trade in dollar ZAR, just be patient, wait, and you might have another opportunity. Okay. To trade the ZAR. All right. What am I doing? Okay. So dollar ZAR. All right. So we'll close that trade. Green candle right here. We've got a green candle. I know it's hard to see, right? But green candle, white candle, green candle, buyers are coming in. So we'll close that trade. Okay. All right. All right. Dollars off. USD okay, right? Sell short signal is here. Buyers came in, green candles. Okay. Close that trade. All right. Get out here. Now we have support here. We have support here. So, just keep in mind, you guys can get out on these white candles when we have pretty good support. Okay. You don't have to wait for these green candles if you're conservative. Okay. If you're conservative. All right. So USD okay. USD DKK. All right. Sell short signal is here. This is still holding. USD PLN, sell short signal here, still holding. The other ZAR pairs. So Euro ZAR, sell short signal is here. Look at this trade, guys. Really good trade. Green candle, sell signal right at the break of resistance right here. All right. Buy to cover. All right. So this could be setting up. Next trade, long, right? Long in the markup phase. Okay, so Euro ZAR, that's out. So remove that. The next one, pound ZAR. Did we talk about pound ZAR? Yeah. So sell short signal here, pound ZAR, we are out. So great trades. If you guys traded those, good job. All right, good job shorting those. So the long trades were great, short trades were great with those ZAR pairs. Those ZAR pairs have a lot of volatility also. So when we get a chance to trade those, that it's usually really good. Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at the long trades we've got going. And these long trades have been holding solid in Forex Dominator. Very proud of what Forex Dominator has done. All right, so far this year. All right, it's done a really good job holding some of these big trades. Okay, so USD CNH buy signal is here. It's still holding. All right, let's take a quick look at the futures market. Where are we? Right here. All right. Okay, so the dollar is up right now, right? Still red candles. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So it's if you look here, if you guys look here, it's kind of consolidating, right? All right. So it's consolidating. Here's support. Here is resistance. It's somewhat in the middle there, right in that center there. So I have no idea what the dollar is going to do right now. So we'll play it by ear. All right. But USD CNH, all right, that's looking to break resistance right here. Buy signal here. Good trade going here. All right. Aussie yen, right? Keep an eye on these yen pairs, right? You might get a bit of a pullback. All right. CAD yen, that's holding solid. Swiss yen, that's holding in Forex Dominator. These pairs are holding in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here, right here. That's Euro yen, pound yen. Buy signal here, holding right here. We've got a surprise coming with pound yen shortly, guys. All right. HKD JPY buy signal is here. All right. That's holding. Singapore yen SGD. All right. Buy signal is here. That's holding. ZAR yen. All right. ZAR yen. All right. Where is our buy signal? Oh, here it is. So buy signal right here, right? Broke resistance right here, holding here. But keep an eye if you guys are trading any of these pairs in Forex Dominator. Just keep an eye on these yen pairs, all right? Because they are closing. Some of them are in Monster Scalper long. Pound Swiss, pound pairs are still holding, trying to break out. Pound Swiss there. Pound HKD, buy signal is here, holding. Pound SGD, buy signal is here. Nice trade going there. All right. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, keep an eye on the Aussie pairs. They broke down today. All right. So Aussie CAD, all right. Support is here. Buy signal was here. It's trading right here. Okay. So if you're conservative, you might want to get out of that trade. Okay. Aussie CAD right here. Okay. Aussie Swiss, that's holding here. Keep an eye on these Aussie pairs. Aussie New Zealand, buy signal is here, holding right here. Aussie dollar, buy signal is here, trading right here. All right. Trading below resistance. Trading below resistance. So keep an eye on these Aussie pairs if you guys are trading it in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at the shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. All right. Shorts in Forex Dominator, USD, dollar MXN, that's still holding right here. Euro, pound. All right. Still holding its short trade right there. Euro CAD, holding its short trade right here. New Zealand CAD. All right. All right. Sell short signal is here. White candles. Look here. Sellers came back in, right? Pushing the price lower. Right. Euro Aussie. Sell short signal is here. That's holding. And dollar CAD still holding right here. All right. Let's take a look at the futures. And then we'll look for picks. We'll go over the picks we sent out today in Monster Scalper. If you guys have a symbol you want me to take a look at, just let me know. And we'll go over that. All right, so longs. Let's go over longs. We don't have any shorts right now in the futures markets, right? Only longs. So this is your S&P right here. Buy signal is here, holding nicely. All right. This is the continuous, let's say, corn here. All right. So that is still holding, looking to break out. It got a bid up today. All right. So that's good. All right. Soybean. That's a new trade, guys. We got going here. Soybean. All right. Soybean. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely there. The next one, live cattle. Live cattle is holding support here. Here was the buy signal. This is a good trade going here. All right. So we do have new support and resistance. So the price is slowing down a bit, but no sell signal. And oats, right? That oats trade, buy signal is here. And that's trading nicely with a good markdown phase. Right. See that here? Very good markdown phase here. All right. Nice breakout here for oats. Okay. All right. So here are the new trades for that we sent out earlier for Monster Scalper. So our Monster Scalper trader should have gotten these trades. Okay. Should have received these trades. So Euro NZD, All right, so EUR NZD. Let me know if anyone got into these trades. So if you guys got into these trades, let me know. Okay, EUR NZD. All right, Joe, you got into it long? Oh, you did? Okay, good job. All right. The euro pairs you guys can see here, and currently they're up. So the euro is trying to make a move. All right. All right. So not a bad trade here. Just, keep an eye on it. Hopefully we get another trade like this or another one like this here. All right. All right. So euro NZD. All right. Good job, Joe. Euro Aussie. All right, so Euro Aussie, nice markdown phase. Buy signal is right here. All right, so another good one. All right, and we'll send these out all. Well, we send them out already today. Euro NOK, EUR NOK. All right, so buy signal is here, and it's always good to take a look at the previous trade. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. So it's trading well long. So buy signal is here, almost right, similar area here. So hopefully we'll get a good trade out of this one here. All right, but the Euro pairs are trying to make a move. That is EURNOK. And then we have some shorts. And I know the market to Forex, it was up and down, all over the place. Let's see here. And then the shorts. All right. So New Zealand Swiss, NZD, CHF. All right. That's a short going here. All right. Okay. So you got support down here. So not a great risk reward trade there. So if you guys are in it, just keep an eye on it. All right. That is New Zealand Swiss, and then New Zealand CAD. All right, same thing here. We got support down in this area here. That doesn't mean it can't break support, but right, not a great risk reward. This was a better trade here, but we could get a decent trade out of this. Okay, so watch your capital. I wouldn't go heavy. And then Aussie Swiss. All right, that's a better risk reward. Sell short signal is here. All right, so we're trading higher in that markup phase. Okay, so this could work out. Support is all the way down here. Some support down here, right over here. Okay, but your real support is down there. Okay, that's Aussie Swiss and then Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD right here. Previous short trade, this one right here, you got support down about right here. All right, so hopefully this will work out. Okay, we are starting to see, keep in mind, we're starting to see selling coming out of that Asian market. Okay, which opens, what time is it? Which opens right about now. Okay, so if that selling continues in the Asian market, let's go right here to Monster Scalper. All right. So you guys know here, right? If that selling continues, right? We can see the Aussie pairs come down, Kiwi pairs come down, and then that selling will bring down also the yen pairs. Okay, so that's what's happening right now. We're starting to see some selling coming in. All right, hasn't quite hit the yen pairs yet, but we've had a few, 2 or 3 yen pairs that give sell signals. Okay. Craig, hey Craig, welcome Craig. Is it too late to go New Zealand short? Craig, on what time frame? What time frame? Right now we're using the 240 here, so just let me know what time frame and that you're looking at, and we'll take a look at it. Okay. Right now, on the 240, we do have a sell short signal here. Okay. But it depends on which time frame that you're trading you want to trade it on. Okay. All right. Just let me know. Let's see here. So just keep in mind, guys, we're starting to see, like I said, buying coming here in the euro pairs. We know we have buying coming in. We have buying, the pound pairs are long. Okay. So, and we could see buying coming into in the dollar pairs, and then we have a rotation, right? We have a rotation out of these into these. Okay, 240. It's still good to get in. Okay, Craig. So we have a sell short signal is here. It's retracing a bit. I would wait. Okay, so if you're in it already, if anyone else is in it, that's fine. Okay, but if you're looking to get into it, okay, the sell short signal came in here, but you see what happened? The price kind of retraced back, right? So to get into the trade, I would wait for price to get, I would say, below 0.55, like right here, 55.552. Okay, so just needed to break support here. Now, keep in mind, this is not a very good risk reward trade. Okay, Craig, so you got pretty good support down here. Okay, you got pretty good support. So buyers could come in if it hits that support right here at 0.545, right? It could hit support here, right? Consolidate a bit and then head back up. Okay, so we always want to pay attention to our support line. So from here to here is really what you would be looking to trade. Okay, not that it won't do it. I mean, it did it here, it did it here. Okay, but just know that's a concern. So an entry would break below, just below 0.5522. All right, with a target about right down here. Okay, the better trades, it's always better when we go short higher, right, higher in the markup phase. Okay, all right, that doesn't mean it can't break support, but it's very difficult, and this is pretty good support here down here. Okay, so I would, we have a sell short signal here, but I would be careful. Okay, be careful with that. All right. Good question. If a better trade might be, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. We have to go through equities. A better trade might be, let's see here, 60-minute, a lot of consolidation on the 60, so nothing there. All right. Okay. You're welcome, Craig. You're welcome. All right. The better trade, guys, right now, so far, right now, might be long euro, long the euro pairs, long the euro. All right. Okay, let's go to equities. Equities. All right. So the markets.
Hey, David, do you still have AUR up?
AUR.
In equities.
AUR for equities.
Yeah.
All right. AUR.
What? Sorry, I keep cutting in and out.
All
Can you hear
right.
me?
AUR. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Where was your entry then?
At the buy signal.
At the buy. All
Yeah.
right. All right. Good job. So 169 was the buy. It's at 247. All right. So that's strong. You got a pop today on a down day.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's strong. That's good. Okay. That's good. So it looks to break. I wouldn't call that. Let's see if we have resistance here. No, that's not really. You got more resistance up here, so it looks good. It looks good. You got a good markdown phase. So you're bought at about 160, 169, 170, 245 right now. Um, you've got a high. I would say you could get to. You could get. It could move for you. You've got this might be an area of concern up here, which is about $10. So you got a long way to go. Okay, especially if the markets hold, you should be fine. Okay, so just hold on to it. It's an early move, Dean.
Yeah, so I was going in small increments on that.
Uh-huh.
So I was gonna get some more.
Yeah. So if the market is up, right, and yeah, tomorrow would be fine. Break the high right here. You could see buyers really come in. Okay. Still early in the trade. And you've got good potential here. Really good potential. All right. That's a good trade going. All right. That's a good trade going. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. And it's right here. So it's right here in Stock Boss. And it closed today at 7.56%. Okay. So not bad. Not bad. All right. So good job. Good job. Yeah, keep adding, keep adding, keep adding. Watch out for if it breaks this, which it looks like it could break it tomorrow or soon. Oh gosh, hold on. You could see buyers really come in. Okay, so yeah, but good trade. Okay, let's look at something here. Dean, look at this. You still with me?
Wow, I didn't look at the weekly, but yeah.
Yeah, look at the weekly. Yeah, you know what I would do? Put together a weekly, okay, just like this, and just have it so that you can see the potential. It's breaking
Yeah.
out, buddy. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
breaking resistance there on the weekly. So it is a brand new nice support here at 121. Look at that. Buyers are coming in, right? So you get a buy signal on that weekly. That's further confirmation. Okay. So yeah, that weekly chart looks really good. Really good. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Okay. Let's go through these stocks, guys. Okay. So we're looking for most of these should be fine. All right. Most of these should be fine. We've been building these stocks for what almost I'm sure it's been probably over at least 2 months now. Okay, so most of these should be nicely in the markup phase, right? Nicely in the markup phase. But however, right, there's always some cleaning up to do. So we're gonna go through these and find the ones that have either a white candle that we need to pay attention to. All right, if you're conservative, you could exit on the white candle. All right, but most importantly, we're looking for red candles, sell signals. All right, so we're going to go through these quickly. This is Stock Boss. All right, trades in Stock Boss. All right, look at this. Nice trade they're going, guys. The buy signal, I can go through each and every one of these, but BT buy signal was at 168. Right? Trading at 385 right now. And look at this, broke out. All right. So if you got in here, right, you could have added here, added a little bit more here as the price moves higher. Okay. So good trade going here. Like I said, most of these should be breaking out. All right. So nicely in the markup phase. We're looking for, look at this one here. I wish we had the time to go through all of these. I mean, just really good trades, right? Look at this one. Buy signal here was 116, right? It's at 196. All right, getting ready to break out. That's 100% right there, guys. On these cheap stocks, we don't have to do options in stock box. They're already inexpensive, right? Right. White candle here, AKBA. All right, white candle. Just pay attention to it. White candles, OMER. Pay attention to it. All right, it's got a good trend line though. Nice trend line. So we could see buyers come back in there. All right. Like I said, if you're conservative, you can get out, but really be careful in doing that, okay? All right. All right. TWKS, white candles here. It's been consolidating. All right. So just keep an eye on it. We have a lot of stocks here, guys. And most of them are trading up nicely, holding. As long as they hold, we're fine. All right. HOES, red candle, guys. Close this trade. All right. So if anyone is in it, right here, we got a red candle today, white candle followed by a red candle. We've got support right here. All right. Getting ready to break support. Close the trade. All right. If you're in it, close it tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah. All right. TBLA, white candle. Pay attention to it. If you're conservative, close the trade. SANA, white candles. A lot of consolidation in there. All right. Keep an eye on it. EGHT, white candle. Keep an eye on it. What's that? NIU, white candle. Keep an eye on it. And it is struggling, right? So if you're conservative, you might want to close that trade. And that's an almost, you would break even there, okay? All right, ARQQ, white candle. Keep an eye on it. AMWL, red candle right here. All right, so close that trade. AMWL, buy signal was here, red candle, close that trade. AMWL. LYLE, keep an eye on it. All right, white candle there. Another one, AEVA, all right, white candle, keep an eye on it there. NMRK, all right, red candle, close that trade, guys. All right, previous resistance is support, broke support, red candle, right? Buy signal was at 669, closed today, 605, close the trade, take the loss, and get out. SENS, white candle, keep an eye on it. XFOR, white candle. If you guys, buy signal was here, right? So was that $1.07, right? 207. If you want to take the profits, you can get out, take the profits, white candle. If you want to, hold it for a red candle, you can certainly do that also. Okay. XFOR. REAL. All right, white candle. Keep an eye on it. GEVO, white candle. Keep an eye on it. All right. SFIX, red candle. All right. Close that trade. Now, this stock should be holding better than this. So I am not majorly concerned. All right. But GWH, all right. White candle, keep an eye on it. All right. DOYU, red candle, close the trade. Okay. Buy signal was here, red candle, close the trade. All right. We'll look to see how the market does this week. If we can hold, sometimes, boy, when you get near a major resistance like we have, sellers could come in. I'm not saying that that's what's happening yet. We'll see what the market does this week. Okay. But some of these stocks are closing. GEVO, white candle here. Keep an eye on it. VNET, white candle. Keep an eye on it. JMIA, white candle. Keep an eye on it. GWH, white candle. Keep an eye on it. What's that? PRCH, that's a sell signal. Okay, so close that trade if you're in it. PRCH, buy signal was here, hit support right here. All right, sell signal to get out. Buy signal came in at 143. Sell signal came in at 120. Close the trade. All right, get out. We'll remove it. What's that? WKHS. All right, white candle. Keep an eye on it. Okay. DHC. All right, that's holding. Bit of a pullback. SKLZ. White candle here. All right, white candle. Keep an eye on it. Okay. We had some selling. I'm surprised. Right. A lot of them are holding, but some of them are closing. So we'll see what the market does this week. The yen pairs will usually give us a signal. So if these yen pairs continue to close their long positions, right, we could see some selling coming to the equity markets. The equity market's been moving up for a while, so they might take profits, guys, in these markets. So it's too soon to tell, okay? But we'll see if Bullmaster, okay, what's going on. All right, so this is Bullmaster. So Stock Boss stocks that were under $10. Bullmaster is more the large cap stocks. Okay, so $10 and higher. Okay, so let's see what they're doing with large caps. So these are the picks we've got here going. So CAVC, that's holding here. So we're gonna go through the same thing. All right. So far, they're holding this well. Good trade. Look at that. Look at SKYW, guys. Good trade here. Buy signal was at 22, trading at 39. Good trade going there. COHR, big spike there. Well, so far we can see that Bullmaster is holding. But these were the trades that were up for the day. So these are the trades that were down today. So let's see what they did. All green so far. Let's see. RFH, white candle here. Buy signal was here, white candle. Keep an eye on it. All right. Is that Adobe? OM, white candle. Keep an eye on it. All right. Look at Adobe, guys. Buy signal for Adobe was 385, trading at 485. This was a good one for calls. Good one for calls. Let me know if anyone traded this. SWTX, white candles. Keep an eye on it. This is one, if you're in it, guys, just get out. Right? Get a lot of consolidation in here. It's not trying to break out, so it failed. We don't have a sell signal, but it is banking up pretty tight consolidation. So that's one. If you're in, just close the trade, move your capital somewhere else. NWBI, white candle right here. Keep an eye on it. PTGX, white candle, buy signal was here. Previous good trade here. White candle here. Keep an eye on it. I think we're going to hold off this evening as far as looking for picks. All right. I want to see what UMFB. All right. White candle right here. All right. Broke support right here. Really keep an eye on this one here. All right. We don't want sellers to come in like this. Okay. They did here before. So you get a sell signal. All right. Red candle. The stock can really break down. You guys can see here. Here's first leg, second leg, third leg. It can suddenly move a fourth leg down. So keep an eye on it. Okay. It broke support here. I know this is near-term support. You got more support down here, but keep an eye on this. DOCU, all right, DocuSign, sell signal came in today. Okay. All right. Buy signal is here. Sell signal, red candle. Close that trade. Okay. Close that trade. We're almost done with Bullmaster, guys. White candle here, ACDC. White candle, pay attention to it. All right, and that's it. All right. Let's take a quick look at the futures. I think we'll hold off on giving picks this evening. Another major concern, but there is some selling in the stocks. The futures are up right now. Dollars up. Hold on. Stock Boss. Yeah, we've got 68 stocks in Stock Boss, right? And we've been running about over 100 for sure in Stock Boss. So things are slowing down a bit. Okay, so 68. All right, 68. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. All right, let's run heat seeker for Bullmaster. We got 92. We're usually well over 100. We've been running about 150, 170, 200, 250. So they're slowing things down a bit. Okay. That doesn't mean that the buying, right, won't resume. But they might take a break here, guys. You know, the market's been going up. If you guys look at the NASDAQ, right? Right. I mean, just looking at it, right? That's parabolic here. Okay. All right. So we could get some selling to come in, okay, before the market moves higher again. So we're just going to lay off for this evening, and we'll see how things, whenever heat seeker will give us some clues, right? Those yen pairs will certainly give us some clues, okay? And because if we get in fewer stocks in heat seeker, things are slowing down. That tells us a lot. Okay, so we'll just hold off with picks this evening. Okay, but we have tons of picks. You guys have had more than enough picks, right? That you know what to do with. So we're just gonna lay off this evening and see how things, if the market holds tomorrow. Okay. All right. Any questions for me, guys? Any questions for me? Any symbols you want to take a look at? If not, we'll be done. All right. Okay.
I had ALLK, and it's kind of going sideways. Though that was the other one that I was holding in equities.
All right, Dean, ALLK. Okay. ALLK. Dean, all right, there it is. All right. Dean, I would close this, bud. You got a red candle here.
Yeah, that's I just saw that.
Yeah. You got in at the buy signal there at around 512 or so.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it's trading at close today at 469.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I would close it. Yeah. I would get out. And you've got pretty good support. I mean, this we can count this as support here. All this is support. We bring this along here, that's support. So if it breaks this support, there's nothing holding it until about down in this area here. Okay, so
yeah. I'm gonna get out of that one.
Yeah, I would get out. And it drops when it drops, it drops right here. And if you look here, look at this gap down here. You see that gap down here? You see that there? So yeah, I wouldn't stick around. You got a red candle and it's breaking support there. I wouldn't wait for the sell signal by the system. Just get out. Okay. All right, guys. So things are slowing a bit for right now, right? You think things can pick up tomorrow, okay? But right now, just slowing a bit. And with heat seeker, keep an eye, guys. When heat seeker, when you see that you're getting fewer stocks in heat seeker, that's a clue. When you get more, when every day you're getting more and more stocks, right, coming in, that's a signal that things are moving, right? Right, nicely long up. But when we get in fewer, right, it's not a major concern, not a major concern, but it's something to keep an eye on. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow. All right. Good job. And we'll send out. You guys should have gotten your picks today for Forex. So that's all the picks for this evening. Okay. All right. Take care, guys.
All right, everyone.
Have a good evening. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming.